Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Okemuti Fole, and I know you've missed me a lot. Yes, I know. You don't need to tell me because it's been a while you all saw my face. So today I decided to make sure you all see my face here. Alright. So today's video, I want to show you how you can use quick replies to hasten communication on WhatsApp and be able to close sales easily. You know, WhatsApp is one of the tools now that you can actually use to close your sales very fast. It's so convenient. A lot of people even prefer chatting on WhatsApp than on Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger. All right. So using quick replies on WhatsApp business is going to hasten your communication with your clients and help you to close sales easily. So now, what does this quick reply actually mean? So quick replies is one of the business tools from WhatsApp. So you have to make sure you're using WhatsApp business before you can access this tool I'm talking to you. So if you're listening to this video right now and the WhatsApp you're using is just the normal WhatsApp, please go and upgrade. Upgrade. Say after me, I'll upgrade. Now, that's what I mean. Go and upgrade. So once you upgrade to WhatsApp business, you will have access to the business tools. So some of these business tools include quick replies, away messages, catalog, and also you can link your WhatsApp business to your Facebook and Instagram account. This way you can easily run ads from WhatsApp business to your Facebook. All right. So that is not the main thing I want to share with you today. What I want to share with you today is how you can use quick replies to hasten your communication and close sales easily. So now here is the main deal. Now, most times as a digital product creator, an online tutor, you do your business online, people come to you with questions like, "Hi Kay, what's this course all about? What can I learn from this course? How much is this course? When is it starting? Send your account details." And you will bear with me that oftentimes you don't easily reply to these people because you find it difficult to type. You find it difficult to keep forwarding those messages one after the other to these persons. So using quick replies is going to help you to ease that communication process and close sales easily because everybody are busy with their life. Nobody wants to involve in what is not going to quicken whatever it is they are doing. So I come to your DM and I ask you a question. So because you are busy, you find it difficult to reply me within 2-3 seconds. And me too, I'm also busy. So once you don't reply me, before the next 30 minutes, something might come my way and I may not reply your messages or even get in touch with you again. By so doing, you have lost that potential client. So what do you do? This quick replies is going to help you to easily send those messages to your clients. So let's say, for example, I come to your DM and I ask you, "Okay, what is this program all about?" So quick replies, you can just quickly do a brief write-up on what this program is all about. So when someone comes to your DM and asks you, "Okay, what is this program all about?" all you need to do is to just click on a particular part on your WhatsApp and you send the message to the person at once. So you don't need to be typing, "This program is all about this, you're going to learn this, you're going to learn that." No. Using quick replies is going to hasten that process. So it's just like those frequently asked questions you see on a website. When you visit the website, you always see the part where they wrote frequently asked questions. Those questions usually contain, "If I sign up for this program, what am I going to gain? If I'm using your website, are my details secured?" Those questions you see are frequently asked questions. So using quick replies is going to help you. So I'm going to show you how to do that right away. Now follow me, just swipe and you are going to see how to do all of that right now. Okay guys, so this is your WhatsApp business. So what you're going to do is once you log into your WhatsApp business, you're going to click on the three dots at the top right hand side. So once you click on it, you're going to see business tools and you're going to see quick replies. So when you click on quick replies, you're going to see some of the quick replies I have mentioned here, I have placed here, so that when people ask me questions like "send your account details," all I need to do is to just click on a particular letter on my WhatsApp business and send the message immediately. So let me show you how to go about it. So what you need to do is to click on the plus sign. So let's say the shortcut for this quick reply should be, the shortcut should be "how to." Okay, so the message is going to be, let's say, "The program is starting 2nd to 5th of May 2022. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click on save. All right, so now I have saved that. So what do? I'm going to head back to my WhatsApp business and let's say I want to send this message Okay, let's say I want to send this message to this person. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click like I want to type, and then I click on this. I type this you're seeing here. Can you see this letter you're seeing here? So I look for how to. Can you see how to? So you see how to. So I just click on send. So the how to is going to send immediately. So that's how you use your quick reply. So you can go back and create as many quick replies you want to make available to your clients instead of keeping them waiting for you to finish typing and you send messages to them. All right. Okay, I hope you watched the video to the end. If you watch this video to the end, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will be at alert once I drop any content regarding to what you're interested in. See you next time.